Hello fellow crafters and welcome to maxdmcrafting. This is Charlie. Hi! In this episode we will continue our fusion tile system and I want to show you how to craft some wall segments. I know what are you thinking, guys. Okay, who needs walls on his dungeon? I already told you, I don't like to play with walls, but sometimes they are useful for separate some corners and stuff like that. In this case, these wall segments are not just walls for separate rooms. For this purpose we have already our dungeon wall system. In this fusion tile system, these wall segments will become a very useful tool for improve your gaming experience. So let's start with this base set of 4 wall segments for your dungeon. Let's craft. You should never craft a single piece at a time. It's saving time, saving energy, saving materials also to craft several pieces at the same time. We start taking our chipboard and cutting out 7mm strips of this, okay? Now we need 19mm long pieces, so 19 here. Every wall segment needs 2 pieces of 19mm, okay? 1, 2. Since we are crafting 4 wall segments, we need 8 pieces of 19mm and 4 pieces of 13mm. We have the cardboard pieces, and we have the wall pieces. And then we have also this little top for the pillars. Now we need to cut those long pieces at 82mm. Same length, you see? Nice. Let's start with the 4 base pieces. We need to mark 19, then 12, then 13, then 12, then again 19. And this part is 7. So 7, 19, 12, 13, 12, 19. This is very important because now we can put our fusion tile system. So start with the 19 piece, glue, and that's it. Then we leave an empty space of 12mm and we put the 13mm piece like that. And then another piece of 19mm. We prepare 4 pieces like that. So 1, it's done. Here we go. Now we use the classic technique for drawing bricks. You can also check my tutorial number 3. Then we put glue on the piece of chipboard. In this way we avoid that glue enter in the empty spaces, and also in the last one here. Now we just press down and we put the top of the pillar like that. Nice and easy. Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoy also this video. If you enjoy the video, please hit the like button, and I can't wait for show you all the other news for this fusion tile system. If you like what I'm doing here, my works and my tips and suggestions, please consider to support this channel through Patreon. Follow the link below. Also check my Facebook page, maxdmcrafting. You can have a real-time interaction with me, okay? So till next time, happy crafting!